Good morning, this is Jack from Charlton Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 2nd of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. Happy New Year! How's it going? All right, great. I hope you had a good New Year. Christmas period. I had a very nice one, and back to work today. And Christmas is over, which is, all good things percent. Anyway, we are still trading sideways on Bitcoin. We have made a little progress to the upside, but we're back below. We were on Wednesday morning, we were back slightly above the daily middle band. We're now back slightly below it. We have tested the 50 DMA, which is now almost down to the same level as the daily middle band, and we are holding its resistance so far. We could be forming a larger flag here, but but only if it can get over the daily middle band and the 50 DMA. Otherwise, that's not happening. So and at the moment, that's pretty good resistance. So hang on, let's just check. Where are we now? 89,445. No, we're back slightly over the daily middle band. We're testing the 50 DMA. If it goes higher, then we have prospects for forming an alternate overall flag here. If not, then we're just marking time until we have enough weakness on equities to go down, make this target, and probably go lower. We shall see. All right, looking at Solana. Pretty much the same. On the daily middle band, hang on, wait a second. Daily middle band, I've got that at 124.94. We're back up at 128. The 50 DMA is at 131 and is the resistance. And that's not been tested yet, but we're basically testing it now. Again, we can go higher if we can get back above it. It wouldn't be quite the same because we wouldn't be forming we could be forming a new bear flag, but we wouldn't be forming an extension of the old bear flag because the old bear flag made target at a retest of the low at 116. So in fact, we've got a potential level bottom here, which I would be taking seriously if we had retested the lows on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which we haven't. So it's still a possibility. Waiting to see what happens at the 50 DMA. No current divergence on the hourly chart, not an awful lot to see on the 15-minute chart either. All right, looking at Ethereum on the weekly chart, again, we are just moving sideways here on the daily middle band. I've got that at 29.58 and we're back over at 3048 and we're slightly over the 50 DMA, although in practical terms I think we are testing it at 3006. So again, we could be forming a larger flag here. It would require, if we can get over this area here, we could potentially get up into maybe 3,500 area or slightly higher and form a larger overall flag. We will see how that goes. In terms of the patterns, this has been pretty boring, but we are at least testing resistance here. You can see we've already come up here and failed once already at 3072. If it can get higher, we can form a larger alternate flag, which I'm leaning towards, which would be what we would ideally do, I think. So we shall see. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. And all right, everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys on Monday.